Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve under square root 27 plus under square root 32 by under square root 18 is equals to what? So let's start with today's video solution. So under square root 27, we can write it as under square root 9 times under square root 3 plus under square root 32 as under square root 16 times under square root 2. Similarly, root 18 as root 9 times root 2. So this becomes root 9 as 3, root 3 and root 16 as 4, root 2 and this becomes 3 root 2. Now if I multiply in numerator and denominator with 3 root 2, so it becomes 3 times 3 as 9 root 6 plus 12 root 4 by 9 root 4. Now we can write this as 9 root 6 plus 12, this root 4 as times 2, similarly 9 times 2. So 9 root 6 plus 24 by 18. So 9 root 6 by 18 plus 24 by 18. So this cancel out gives 2. So root 6 by 2 plus this will cancel out. 6 times 4 is 24 and 6 times 3 is 18 as 4 by 3. So this is the simplified form. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.